This morning we're going to be working on Apache Airflow stuff. I'm not really super sure what we're going to be doing in Apache Airflow, so we'll get to go through the journey of finding something to work together on in Apache Airflow. I'm going to just have a slightly late start this morning. I was in Disneyland yesterday because the news was depressing as fuck. But I got some coffee, and that helps everything. Okay. Yeah, I need to update the little bar that I have across the top of the videos. And then we can go into live mode. Cool. So Apache Airflow adventures of some type. My wife is coming to join us. I can switch it back on so that people can see you. Hi. Oh, wait, she went to go sit down so no one can see. I don't know. Okay, where are you?
Hi, I'm gonna drink my coffee.
Oh, I got confused because I saw the mouse on my mouse screen. Now she's sitting down again. Okay, fine. Switch it back to live mode. Okay. Oh, that's the other thing that I forgot to do. Because I'm pretty sure this is still broken. Oh, hey, there's a friend on Twitch. Hello, friend. Sorry, the overlay that I use for streaming chat windows has been broken for a little while. I'm not really super sure how to fix it, so I'm just gonna keep some tabs open. Okay, switch that to mute. Okay, cool. So I can see the chat messages pop up. So, hello, Twitch friend, and if anyone on YouTube wants to say hi, I'll check in on that periodically. So, with that, let's go take a look at the Airflow PRs situations. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look, and we're going to see that they merged my PRs. Yay! So 3 of them are closed. This one, I think I just closed because it was no longer relevant. Oh, yeah, this is really weird having the chat window here. I get some lag because, oh god. Anyways, this one I closed on my own. This one was some cleanup work for 2.0, and this one was some other stuff. I'm not super sure. Improve Docker Compose local testing. Oh yeah, so for people who wanted to test things on their own, just made that easier for people to do. And so that got merged a while back. So that being said, these are all sort of testing and release improvements, and that's fun and all, but I want to make a change that like is something an end user might see now. This might be unrealistic because I'm still very new to the project, so this might be setting the bar a little too high. Yeah, I don't know why I have the scoop user guide up. I think it was related to this. Oh, here we go. Cool. So let's go into Apache Airflow. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to log back in because you get a slightly more useful view when you're logged into Jira. And if you don't have an account, they're relatively easy to create, which is why I have 7 of them by accident. Fuck, I don't know. Probably this one. Let's see if this one works. Oh, it does. Okay. That's interesting. I'm currently working on deploying Apache Airflow 1.10 to a Kubernetes cluster. I'm running into some Apache Airflow. Interesting. Oh god. This seems like a thing that would be better for someone who is experienced with this to try and do. Okay. Oh, well, that's bad. Upgrade path to Airflow 1.10 seems impossible for users of MySQL in Google's Cloud SQL service given new MySQL requirements for 1.10. That's bad. Let's start watching this issue. That being said, it's reopened, which means someone closed it and then later reopened it. So I don't know. Okay. So this, I don't know SQL well enough, but I have a colleague who does. And one of the nice things about having colleagues is you can ask them for help. It's great, even on open source. We're not gonna be able to actually get her help today, I don't think. But it's we're still gonna message her. And before I message her, where y'all can see, I'm going to make sure that our... Actually, yeah, I'll just do it this way. Yeah? Ah, fudge. Okay. Yeah, does this cover up everything that's important? Yeah, it does. Okay, cool. So, yeah. So we're going to go ahead and drag this over here, and we're going to send an email to Gabby. Hey, found an interesting OSS issue with our Cloud SQL adventures, and I figured you could maybe help. I don't know. Cool. So I can't solve this one on my own, but maybe one of my coworkers can help me solve it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to press send. Cool. That being said, I'm still going to keep watching this. Okay, Polish time zone implementation. Notably, I am not in Poland, but okay, no, this is not. Let's go through rather than just. Oh, source tolerable should not try to extract to root. It sounds like this isn't an issue anymore. Oh wait, maybe. Wait. This is interesting. Okay. Let's see if this is still an issue. Easiest way to do that: download this, try and extract it, see where it goes. So, Apache Airflow. No. Oh. Installation. No. Getting Airflow. So this is pip installable Airflow. Not really what I want. So let's go Airflow releases. Okay, sure. Let's grab this tarball, and we're gonna go ahead. Cool. I'm gonna put this inside of a directory called A just to see what happens. Tar xvf. No. Looks fine to me. I don't know. So yeah. Is this the... Airflow, mailing list. Normally, we'd have an official, like, release announcement here, so maybe we can go check here. Maybe that's the... what people are talking about. Okay, let's try searching. Less than 1 year ago. Okay, search. Oh. Weird. Okay, here's the result link. But this isn't... Okay, yeah. Airflow, 110 incubating. So this would be the source one. So go ahead, we'll download this. Yeah, okay. This doesn't look like it's an issue anymore. So I downloaded it's an untarred with tar XVF and everything. Let's extract it under the directory it was in, as expected. Is this issue fixed in 1.10 then? So this is just like, hey, I'm pretty sure this issue is no longer a problem, but it's reported by someone else, and maybe they're having a different experience. Okay, this is a thing that someone else would do. CVEs are sort of a PMC responsibility. Oh, interesting. Okay, someone's probably working on this, maybe. Oh, interesting. Cool. Let's make a Python 3.7 virtual env, and this looks like an issue that we could maybe fix. And I could even fix it in time that I get to snuggle my wife before she goes away to work, which would be really exciting, right? Are you going to work today, or are you going to... No.
Just finishing my coffee.
Oh, damn. Okay, I've only got 1 coffee cup worth of time to try and make this one happen, y'all.
That's okay.
It's probably not going to be a success. Don't worry. I'm used to failure. Pi 3.7. Actually, this should really be under temp. Pi 3.7. Boop. Okay, virtual env Python 3.7. I don't know. I want to make... Do I have Python 3.7? Fudge. Oh, cool. I do. Now we're going to have a virtual env with it momentarily. And we can fix this issue And it will be a great success. Not a guarantee. Void in the state of New York. Okay. And California. Python 3.7. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead. Temp py37 bin activate. Now we're in the little world where we get to pretend Python 3.7 is our jam. It's not. Python 3.6 for life. Just kidding. Okay. Where am I going? Fuck. Airflow. That's what I'm working on this morning. Professional. Oh, but it's still incubating, so it's incubator Airflow. Okay, so and then we're gonna. Cool. So the one thing that I want to do before we go too far into this is go through the git log and make sure no one else fixed this and just forgot to update its status. Nope. Look good. Okay. Pip install. Where's the requirements? Okay, cool. He's not happy. Doesn't say why. I don't think that's it, but let's double check. I think this is just like, hey, this is an unrelated warning to your failure. Oh, no, it's not. It's a real thing. Cool. Okay. Whatever. We'll install the GPL version today, because I'm not on my work computer. And licensing is important, but I like coffee. Cool. He's not happy. Oh, for a bunch of reasons. God damn it. This is going to end up being another one of those PRs where most of the time is spent making it testable, isn't it? Well, here. In the meantime, what we can do is we can just do this. That installed just fine. I think. I'm confused. This doesn't look like it officially supports Python 3.7. Okay, so looking at the tags and it new version officially supports 3.7 either. So let's go. We could try look for that. Let's go take a look. No, we want tags. Tags. Okay, 4.8, 4.9. Async. I want to search in this repo for the async keyword. Yeah, reuse that there. But this only searches on master, doesn't it? Right. Let's go look at commits over time. Yeah, I'm not actually sure this is one we can fix either. God damn it. But that's okay. The new version. Okay. Huh. Oh, that's why we use it. Okay. Do. Ace. Oh, cool. Yeah. Okay. So it was only added. So they only started testing against this in a version which isn't released. Being tested against in the master branch. So now might be a bit too early to upgrade. That's just documentation. I'm not super sure upgrading to tenacity right now is the right call. Is there a release notes anywhere? If we go, no, 41 releases, other release notes, no, it's not. Okay. Pretty sure if I just blindly upgrade this, it's just gonna fail. So we're gonna go ahead and say probably. So this is a good issue. We should definitely follow this. And I definitely, is there a way I can be notified when Tenacity does a release? Let's go ahead, star this repo for now. The chances that I'll notice this are pretty low, but they're not zero. But we should come back to this and check and see when Tenacity does their next release, because it'll probably have 3.7 support officially. So that'll be cool. Oof, this, okay. That's, yeah. Huh. Very interesting. Don't authenticate on Google Authentication. Oh, shit. Looks like we're converting a thing to a string that should not be a string. DB string literals. Oh, interesting. So this is yeah, okay, so this is probably not a thing that I can fix super easily. Do we have something that's defaulting to Latin1 in here? That wouldn't surprise me too much. Incubator. Cool. Yeah. MySQL Flask Latin1. Oh. Interesting. A little more context for the next person who comes through. It looks to me like the DB encoding for that field is set to Latin1, and causing the issue. Looking in the Airflow code base, I don't see anything that's immediately hard-coded to Latin1. We could deep dive on this issue, I guess. Yeah, this one might actually be one of the more reasonable ones to look at. Let's go ahead, start watching this issue, add a comment, see what we can do here. Okay, so all right, is that what it is? Let's check out a branch for this. Encoding issue with DB impacting Google Auth. Okay, cool. So yeah. So this is coming from inside of SQL Alchemy, Google Auth.py. Let's go take a look at that. Oh no, it's coming from Airflow contrib Google Auth.py. Oh god. Whatever. Who knows? Okay. Line 171. Cool. Model.user. Username equals username. Yeah, it seems like a pretty reasonable check. But model.user.username. Okay. Let's go find our model. Model Airflow models user. Okay. So less than great. String ID len unique equals true. Okay, so that seems reasonable. So the problem is well, what happens if we search for this string? Things I'm not super qualified to do. Yeah, okay. I really want to see what my DB encoding is here. Yeah, okay, cool. Here we go. So, yeah, doing a bit more poking. A bit more poking leads me to this, which suggests we need to make that engine differently. Okay, cool. It's progress, maybe. Let's go see if we can find a case where we're doing something like that internally. This is another situation where I really wish... Oh, cool. Sorry. Mildly optimistic, perhaps not reasonably so. Okay, no one's chatting on Twitch or YouTube right now. Yeah. It's just me and my Hello Kitty coffee. Oh god, my lower back. Okay. I should try doing the things they told me to do. Okay, so it looks like engine args is probably a thing that we care about. Let's go... see if they're defined somewhere. grep-r. Oh, fudge. So airflow settings, okay. Okay, so that's engine args. Engine args are pulled from... Okay. So, I think that a reasonable possible thing to do here would be to add an engine argument for the encoding and default it to UTF-8 because it's probably what most people want. Could be wrong on that, but we're going to try that as our starting point. And yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's all pool related configurations. Okay, cool. So actually, I think we have a chance. We're not gonna like fix it today, but we are gonna make a work in progress PR and ask the person if it helps. Maybe it will, and maybe it won't. But it'll let me feel like I accomplished something. And that's one of the important things in open source is that fake feeling of accomplishment. No, just kidding. That very real feeling of accomplishment. I'm going to turn off this chat overlay thing because it's kind of just not giving us anything and covering up the top half of my hair. Fabulous hair. Okay. Cool, but we're good, I think. I'm excited. I found an issue that I maybe might be able to fix. And cool. So yes. So that's the engine args, regardless. Okay, so we're going to go down here. Try engine args encoding equals conf.get string, I'm assuming core SQL. It's encoding, right? Yeah. Okay. Cool. So, what's it called? SQL engine encoding. That's weird. Probably Amazon. UTF-8. Okay, cool. Interesting. So, if disable connection pool or not connection pool. Fuck. Engine args is not supported by SQLite. So we do need this here. See previous comment. Engine args not supported by SQLite. Is that true? Or is it just the SQL alchemy? SQLite engine args. Okay, yeah, SQLite. Okay, SQLite. Light. Not actually super convinced about that. Let's test this out really quickly. Pip install SQL alchemy. Oh, cool. Let's go ahead. I have address? Yay! Sorry. I have to finish work. Damn it. Fuck, why do I have a job? Just. Oh, yeah, that's a good point. Right. If I didn't have the job, I wouldn't get to go to England, and I also wouldn't have the money to buy a dress. We'd also probably be homeless.
Yeah.
No, we could move back to Chicago or Ottawa.
We can't afford to live in Chicago.
We could move back to Ottawa and live in my parents' basement.
I love you.
I love you too. Let's never do that.
Your parents are lovely people. If I lived with them, I would go nuts.
I would too. There's one of the things about being an adult is needing some amount of space away from your parents, as lovely as they may or may not be. It's just you need your own space, and that's just yeah, but you just don't get it. So go team. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and see if this comment about stuff is actually true, or if it's more about some other things, which I could see it going either way. Encoding equals UTF-8. Yeah, it works just fine. So, okay, cool. So pool size. Engine args are not supported by. So we don't need this. We're good. Lovely. Great. Sold. Okay, so we've got yeah, okay. User to specify an encoding for their DB. Otherwise, default to UTF-8. So folks with default to UTF-8, so jobs and folks with use us. Okay, cool. Okay, that sounds pretty reasonable. We don't have a test for it, which that's bad, but it's better than nothing. It's a good first start. And so this is a work in progress PR, which we're going to make today. And that'll be good. So we're going to go ahead git commit -am. Try and add a SQL engine encoding param and default to UTF-8. Allow non-Latin1 usernames with MySQL backend by cool. So this is definitely work in progress, though, and so we're going to make that super clear. But it's work in progress, and we can ask the user if it fixes their problem, and if it doesn't, then I've misunderstood their problem, and we can go adventure somewhere else. But it's a good first step, and we'll start with that. Oh, and it sounds like my wife is leaving. Oh no, so close. So close. Okay. Work in progress. Airflow -2192. Yep. So we do this. Work in progress PR tests after manual validation. Oh, I don't do this part. Okay. So yeah, want to change the title so that it references that. Oh, we haven't tested Flake8 yet either. Well, this is a start. And so this is a start. The thing that we'll do afterwards is add a non-Latin1 character. But this is work in progress, Airflow PR, non-Latin1 usernames. It's pretty solid for like a first work in progress PR. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. We're going to hit assign to me because I made a PR here. Oh, yay! My wife's going away to work though because she has a real, unlike Holden, who gets to sit underneath her bed pretending that this is a job.
No, you have a real job. You get, like...
I mean, I get health insurance for my fake job.
You get much better compensation.
Yes.
And fewer people yell at you.
The people that yell at me don't work for my boss.
Yeah.
I have a lot of people yell at me. They just work somewhere else.
The people who yell at you don't matter.
In
the same way.
They are unlikely to be able to get me fired, but that is not a bet.
Yeah.
Let's leave it there.
That's not talk about this.
Okay, cool. Have a good day at work, girl. I love you.
Bye.
I'll see you tonight, yeah?
Yeah.
If you could let me know if this addresses your issue, I'd be much obliged. I'll follow up with more, with some tests later on in the week, regardless. And so this is just like, hey, I made a thing. I don't know if this is gonna fix the problem. But if it does, I'd love to know. And if it doesn't, oops. Okay, cool. Super work in progress. Some things not done, but it's a start. Okay, so that's good. That's good. We close this one. Close this one. And the point of putting work in progress is so that people don't waste their time at this. It's a way for the other person to find this code more easily and tell me if it, solves their problem or not. Okay, but that's a thing. This is a thing. What else was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I have the hey, what's up? I'm Holden. So we're gonna do this. So today, that's not what we did. Apache Airflow, MySQL plus Latin1. Adventures. Okay, so Holden and Boo's super fun live stream. What exactly are we going to break today? Adventures in open source. Yay! So today we mostly looked at Apache, not Spark, Apache Airflow, around MySQL and some encoding adventures there. We did a first little quick PR, and we also went through a lot of other issues. And we could do basic issue triage, verify issues still occurring, and we also then investigated and work in progress PR for MySQL and encoding adventures. And I'm Holden. My preferred pronouns are she or her. It's tattooed on my wrist in case you or I forget. And I'm a developer advocate at Google. I like this job. They pay me money to work on open source and give talks about open source software. It's a lot of fun. And I work with teams that use Spark and Airflow, and so naturally I do a lot of work around Spark and Airflow. I'm on the Spark PMC, and I contribute to other projects like Airflow you can see today. We made a work in progress PR, and I have 2 other small PRs merged. In addition to who I am professionally, I am trans, queer, Canadian, in America on an H-1B work visa. My immigration lawyer is somewhat frustrating, so I still have an H-1B work visa. I'm probably going to get a different immigration lawyer by the end of the week, and I'm hoping that works. And I'm also part of the leather community, so it's fun. And Boo is my stuffed animal. She's upstairs, and by upstairs I mean she's sleeping above me in the loft bed that I sleep in. And she's on Twitter at Boo Programmer, and she's pretty cool. I don't know what the rest of these slides are about. Oh yeah, today we're in San Francisco. I honestly don't know my schedule. I'm hoping to know it by the end of the week. I'm supposed to be going to Mexico at some point, but things are a little up in the air, and so I'll update this next time. How does this live stream work? Yeah, no, okay. Later on this week, on Friday, I will be doing my regular Friday live stream code review, and I hope you'll join me for that. What it is I go through open PRs in the Apache Spark codebase normally. Sometimes I look in other projects, but mostly Spark. And I do these code reviews live, and you can see how open source projects do their code reviews. I think it's pretty fun, and I hope you'll join me for that. And if you're curious, my YouTube channel has a lot of other live streams. I also have a playlist with just my talks and things of that nature. I don't know where it is. Holden's talk videos, I think, and I have a Spark videos set here. Yeah. Anyways, so that is it. Thank you all for joining me this lovely Tuesday morning. It's probably time for me to wrap up and unpack and put my laundry away from my most recent trip, which is the eternal struggle of my life. So thank you all for joining me. I hope you have a lovely rest of your week.